Good day everyone, I am Javel Barogo and today I will be doing our next activity in Elective 1. So this is the figure. So without further ado, let's get started! First, click the top lane and then sketch and make a center rectangle at the center point. And then click the Smart Dimension, having its dimension of 3.75 and the right side would be 3. And then make a fillet corners. Make the fillet with a size of 0.50 inches. Enter, then click this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then enter or right click. Next step would be clicking the circle at these sides. Create a 4 circles. And then click the 4 circles and make it equal. Click the Smart Dimension with a measurement of 0.38. Click the extruded base from the pictures and then write its measurement of 0.38. Then click the check. And then right click sketch the lower part of the figure. And choose the corner rectangle. Click at any point here. And then click the Smart Dimension with a measurement of 0.06. Again, click the Smart Dimension between at this point, at the center point, with a dimension of 1.13. Do it also from the left side. Then click the isometric to have a better view of our figure. Next is click the extruded cut and then change the blind into through all. Right click the right plane and then click sketch. Make a line straight and then slant on the left side. You can have any measurement here. And then click the slant line and the straight line and click Construction Geometry. Next would be we have to do the Smart Dimension first at the straight line with a measurement of 2.66 as well as in the slant line with a measurement of 2.38. Smart dime also the center point. And then input its measurement of 30 degrees. It will be automatically have the correct measurement. Click the isometric and then reference geometry plane, and then click the slant line and the side rectangle. Then right click the plane and then sketch and click the top view. Click the line and the middle plane, then convert entities. Create a center rectangle in the middle of this line, and then click the upper line of the rectangle and the upper dot of line, then shift and then click the coincident at the left part. Check the dimension of this line with a measurement of 2.38, and at this upper line with a measurement of 1.88, and then click the fillet after this one and fillet the corners having its measurement of 0.31. Create 4 circles at the 4 corners of this rectangle, and then make it all equal. Click the Smart Dimension and then input its measurement of 0.31. Click the extruded boss or base and then change its measurement of 0.31 and click the arrow beside the blind. But first, click the rectangle and the circles. Then next, we have to create a corner rectangle in the middle of the base with any measurement and in its lower part. And then click the shift, click the left side of the rectangle and the lower part of the lower rectangle and make it equal. Then click the origin and the lower dot or point and make it vertical. And then trim this line or unnecessary line. And then smart dimension the right line of the rectangle with a measurement of 0.31. Then again, make a dimension and this horizontal line and its origin with a measurement of 0.16. Check. And then click the isometric view. And then click the extruded boss or base and change the blind into up to surface. Rotate this figure and click the back of the base and then check and click isometric. Right click, then sketch this part of rectangle and make a line in its corners. Do this also at the back of this figure. Click lofted cut and click any lines in front and back of this figure that is made. Then isometric. Click mirror and then click this side or just click this arrow and then right plane and then check. There you have it. Rotate the figure. Make 2 circles inside this figure and then click the smart dimension and the line, click the line below it and the inside circle having its measurement of 1.38. After that, click the circles having its measurement of 0.75 and the small circle with a unit or measurement of 0.5. And lastly, input the smart dimension of this center of the circle and the origin point below having its measurement of 0.50. And then click the isometric. Next is click the extruded boss or base, then change the sketch plane into offset. Click the selected contours and the big box. After that, click the big circle. Input its measurement in the offset 0.59. Then click the arrow beside the blind, having its measurement of 1.38. Then click check or OK. And then proceed by clicking the extrude cut. Click the arrow and click the extruded base 5 and then the sketch 9. And then click the selected contours, right click and delete. Click the box again and click the small circle. Then of course change the blind into true all and check the direction too. So that's it. And I think we have our figure already. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next vlog.
I wanna spend some time with you. Just the two of us. We can make